Welcome, adventurers, to Happy Trail Backpacking. We are on a day hike today in Lake Maria State Park, Minnesota. It is about 51 degrees. We got about a 5-mile trail here around the park. Welcome, everybody. We're here, getting off to a good start, and it is a cold, blustery day. It is overcast, 51 degrees, the wind is blowing, the leaves are falling. Oh. Oh. The trees are cracking. It's a windy day. Anyway, like I said, it's about 5.5 mile trail. It's a loop, pretty much a circle all the way around the park. And the fall colors are amazing. Lake Maria State Park here. It's located about 45 minutes northwest of the Twin Cities, just west of the town of Monticello. It was established here in 1963 as another place to provide recreation for the cities, within an hour travel to the cities. It doesn't really get that many visitors each year, but its primary focus is on hiking, backpacking, and equestrian use. I have never been here. It's my first time. It's pretty nice so far. There were a few cars in the parking lot, but I haven't seen anybody so far. Only about maybe a mile and a half in, but haven't seen anybody. It's nice and quiet. The wind has really picked up. Woo! Anyway, I was passing a campsite, a backpacking campsite. I wanted to check it out. We got the fire pit right here in the center. A couple of nice big logs. A picnic table. And they even give you a bear box. I've never seen a wooden bear box before. They're always metal. But apparently it works because there's still some Pringles inside. Alright, you got a couple of tent pads here that actually look pretty decent. That looks like a nice, decent tent pad. Decent area over here. A little, not quite so flat, but nice big area. And then there's kind of another area over here. Now water access. I haven't been down here yet, but look at that choppy water. Wow. The wind is really blowing here. Not really sure about this water access here. I mean, there's water, but I don't know that you'd want to access that water. Huh. So yeah, not really much for water access. Nice view though. This is Lake Maria here, by the way. We'll be hiking along the edge of it for a little bit. So that's the campsite, and then they have a latrine. There's actually another campsite just next to this one, and they share a latrine. It is a full outhouse latrine. But yeah, pretty nice, decent campsite. Can't remember which one this is. I think it was B14. Alright, there's the latrine. And then you see the trail continues. That goes to the other campsite. Awesome. Is campsite B14. I was correct. B14. Right on Lake Maria. Pretty nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Lake Maria. Beautiful viewpoint here, overlooking some unnamed swamps. There's not much going on now, but I bet in the springtime this place is just overrun with birds. Well, this is a pretty nice spot here. Gorgeous spot. Got some swans over there. Got a little beaver hut here, or an otter hut, whatever. Probably beaver, I'm assuming, because otters, I think, usually make their home close to the edge. Yeah, 4 swans over there. Alright, we climbed up on top of Anderson Hill here. To Anderson Hill Lookout. really loving these trees right here. The red, orange, and the red, orange, and yellow contrasting with each other. It's awesome. And I'm surprised how much sumac is still here. Usually deer eat this stuff up. But there's plenty of sumac to go around. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, climbing down Anderson Hill now. This is really the only hill of the entire hike today. Got about a half mile or so left, but it's been very flat. Alright folks, we are back at the parking lot here. There's a horse trailer here in the parking lot now. You know, these are horse trails. I never see horses on the trails, but there's always horse poop. And there's a trailer, but I never saw any horses. Back here at the car. Well, it was a beautiful, beautiful day today. A little windy, a little chaotic at times, but nice and cool. It's overcast, but not too dark. Very nice. Just enough cloud cover to diffuse the light. Oh, it looks like got a couple spots of blue sky over there. Ah, maybe it's coming around. Anyway, the fall colors here were amazing. Pretty much peak, I'd say. It was nice and quiet. There were quite a number of people here, but very well spaced out. Not too crowded. Just a beautiful, beautiful day. Thanks everybody for coming with me. And I will see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.